Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Sensitive data of your phone like financial information, personal photos, and even our location can be at risk. Insecure apps can be exploited to steal data, spread malware, or even take control of our devices. This makes mobile app security not just a technical issue, but a personal one. Imagine the consequences if your banking app was hacked, or if your private photos were leaked online. The responsibility for mobile app security doesn't lie solely with developers. As users, we need to be aware of the risks and take steps to protect ourselves. This includes downloading apps from trusted sources, being wary of permissions requested, and keeping our devices updated. By understanding the importance of mobile app security, we can all play a role in making the mobile world a safer place. In the fight against mobile app vulnerabilities, developers need powerful tools at their disposal. This is where MobSF, short for Mobile Security Framework, steps in. MobSF is an open-source platform that serves as a comprehensive security testing suite for mobile applications. It acts as a virtual security expert, helping developers identify and fix weaknesses in their apps before they fall into the wrong hands. What makes MobSF a valuable ally for developers is its versatility. It supports both Android and iOS applications, covering a significant portion of the mobile app landscape. Whether you're building the next social media giant or a niche productivity tool, MobSF can help ensure your app is as secure as it can be. The beauty of MobSF lies in its simplicity. It boasts a user-friendly interface that makes it accessible even to developers who aren't security specialists. This ease of use, combined with its powerful capabilities, makes MobSF an essential tool in any mobile app developer's arsenal. By integrating MobSF into the development lifecycle, developers can proactively address security concerns, building more resilient and trustworthy apps for users worldwide. MobSF is not just another security tool, it's a comprehensive suite of features designed to leave no stone unturned when it comes to mobile app security. One of its standout features is static analysis. MobSF dives deep into an app's code, meticulously examining it for potential security flaws without actually running the app. This is like having a security expert pore over blueprints before construction begins. But MobSF doesn't stop there. It also offers dynamic analysis, which involves running the app in a controlled environment to observe its behavior and interactions. This is akin to a test drive where MobSF identifies vulnerabilities that might only surface when the app is in motion. Recognizing that security is not one-size-fits-all, MobSF provides a range of configuration options. Developers can tailor the scanning process to their specific needs and risk tolerance, ensuring a thorough and efficient analysis. And for those who prefer a more hands-on approach, MobSF offers interactive tools for deeper inspection. This allows developers to delve into the nitty-gritty of their app's security, understanding the nuances of each vulnerability. Imagine MobSF as a seasoned detective, meticulously investigating every nook and cranny of your mobile app for security loopholes. The process begins with uploading your app to the MobSF platform. This could be an Android app package or an iOS app archive. Once the app is uploaded, MobSF gets to work, employing a combination of static and dynamic analysis techniques. Static analysis acts as the initial sweep, with MobSF dissecting the app's code to identify potential vulnerabilities such as insecure coding practices, hard-coded credentials, or the presence of known malware signatures. Dynamic analysis takes a more active approach. MobSF runs the app in a secure sandbox environment, simulating real-world usage scenarios. This allows MobSF to observe the app's behavior, network traffic, and interactions with the device, uncovering vulnerabilities that might not be apparent from static analysis alone. Throughout this process, MobSF acts as a vigilant watchdog, meticulously documenting its findings and presenting them in a clear and concise report. This report serves as a roadmap for developers, highlighting areas of concern and providing actionable insights for remediation. Section 5. Real-world victories. Vulnerabilities exposed by MobSF. The true testament to MobSF's effectiveness lies in its track record of uncovering real-world vulnerabilities. One notable example involved a popular social media app that had millions of downloads. MobSF's analysis revealed a critical vulnerability that could have allowed attackers to bypass the app's authentication mechanism, potentially gaining access to users' accounts and personal information. In another instance, MobSF identified a severe security flaw in a banking app. The vulnerability could have enabled attackers to intercept sensitive financial data transmitted between the app and the bank's servers, putting users' financial assets at risk. These examples highlight the importance of proactive security testing with tools like MobSF. By identifying and addressing vulnerabilities early in the development lifecycle, developers can prevent potentially catastrophic consequences for both their users and their businesses. MobSF's ability to uncover such vulnerabilities underscores its value as an indispensable tool for any organization serious about mobile app security. Section 6. The power of proactive security. Why MobSF matters. In today's digital landscape where cyber threats are becoming increasingly sophisticated, reactive security measures are no longer enough. We need to shift our focus to proactive security, identifying and mitigating vulnerabilities before they can be exploited. This is where MobSF truly shines. By integrating MobSF into the development process, organizations can embrace a security-first mindset. Developers can identify and address vulnerabilities early on, preventing them from cascading into more significant issues down the line. This not only reduces the risk of costly data breaches and reputational damage, but also fosters trust with users who rely on secure and reliable apps. Moreover, MobSF empowers developers to take ownership of their app's security. By providing detailed reports and actionable insights, MobSF equips developers with the knowledge and tools they need to write more secure code and build more resilient applications. In an era defined by digital transformation, proactive security is no longer optional. It's essential. MobSF provides a powerful and accessible means to achieve this, enabling organizations to stay ahead of the curve and safeguard their users' data. Section 7. Beyond MobSF, a glimpse into the future of app security. While MobSF provides a robust foundation for mobile app security, the field is constantly evolving. New threats emerge, demanding innovative solutions and a proactive approach to staying ahead of malicious actors. The future of app security lies in the integration of advanced technologies and a shift towards more comprehensive security paradigms. One promising avenue is the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning to automate vulnerability detection and threat analysis. AI-powered security tools can analyze vast amounts of data, identifying patterns and anomalies that might escape human analysts. This can significantly enhance the speed and accuracy of vulnerability detection, enabling developers to respond to threats more effectively. Another area of focus is the development of secure coding practices and frameworks. By embedding security considerations into every stage of the development lifecycle, organizations can create a culture of security, empowering developers to write secure code from the ground up. Furthermore, the rise of mobile app containers and microservices presents both challenges and opportunities for app security. While these technologies offer increased flexibility and scalability, they also introduce new attack vectors that require specialized security measures. Section 8. Embracing best practices, a developer's guide to secure coding. Secure coding requires a shift in mindset and best practices. Treat all user input as potentially malicious. Validate and sanitize input to prevent injection attacks. Encrypt data at rest and in transit. Use strong passwords and multi-factor authentication. Stay informed about security threats. In Section 9. Conclusion. Fortifying the mobile frontier. As our reliance on mobile applications continues to grow, so too does the need for robust security measures. MobSF, with its comprehensive suite of features, provides an invaluable tool for developers to identify and address vulnerabilities, ensuring that their apps are as secure as they can be. However, MobSF is just one piece of the puzzle. Building truly secure mobile applications requires a multifaceted approach that encompasses secure coding practices, proactive security testing, and a commitment to staying ahead of the ever-evolving threat landscape. By embracing a security-first mindset and leveraging the power of tools like MobSF, developers can create a safer and more trustworthy mobile ecosystem for everyone. The future of mobile app security lies in our collective efforts to fortify the digital frontier, ensuring that our mobile experiences are both innovative and secure.